How to tell what's causing your allergy symptoms. Imagine waking up with a runny nose, itchy eyes, or a skin rash and wondering what's behind it all. Sometimes it's obvious, but other times it's tricky to tell what's triggering your symptoms. That's where understanding your immune system's response can help. When your immune system encounters a harmless substance like pollen, dust, or certain foods, it can mistakenly see it as a threat. It then produces a special antibody called immunoglobulin E, or Ig for short. These Ig antibodies attach to immune cells called mast cells and basophils, which are found in your skin, nose, lungs, and gut. When the allergen binds to the Ig on these cells, it causes them to release chemicals like histamine. This releases leads to the symptoms you experience, such as sneezing, congestion, itchy eyes, skin rashes, or stomach upset. To figure out what's causing your allergy symptoms, start by paying close attention to when and where they happen. Do your symptoms worsen during spring or fall? That might mean pollen is the culprit. Do they appear after eating certain foods? That suggests a food allergy. Do your skin reactions happen after touching specific substances? Contact allergens like soaps or metals could be responsible. Keep a diary of your symptoms, noting the time, location, and any activities you were doing. This record can reveal patterns that point to specific triggers. Next, consider the type of symptoms and how quickly they appear. Allergic reactions often happen fast, within minutes of exposure, because of histamine releases. For example, sneezing and a runny nose are common with airborne allergens like pollen or dust. Gut symptoms like nausea or diarrhea often follow eating foods you're allergic to. Skin reactions such as hives or eczema may develop after contact with certain substances. Recognizing these patterns helps narrow down potential causes. Medical testing is a helpful step. Skin prick tests involve placing tiny amounts of suspected allergens on your skin and pricking the surface. If you're allergic, you'll see a small raised bump or redness within about 15 minutes. Blood tests measure specific Ig levels in your blood to various allergens. These tests help identify which substances your immune system reacts to, making it easier to pinpoint the cause. Understanding immune cell activity also plays a role. Mast cells and eosinophils are immune cells involved in allergic reactions. When activated by allergens, they release chemicals that produce symptoms. The location of these cells in your tissues explains why symptoms vary depending on the allergen and where it enters your body. For example, pollen affects your nose and eyes, while food allergens impact your gut and skin. Finally, it's important to rule out other causes. Symptoms like congestion or skin rashes can sometimes be caused by infections or irritants. Correlating your exposure history with immune responses and test results helps confirm whether allergies are the cause. In short, identifying what causes your allergy symptoms involves observing patterns, understanding how your immune system reacts, and using medical tests to find specific allergens. Knowing this helps you manage symptoms better and avoid triggers, leading to a more comfortable life.